the government of nowadays, they are not ready to kick up and pick up the children.
The youth.
The youth.
The teenagers.
Yes. You see, now you see how the government official or government minister is saying, if education is expensive, try ignorance. Nearly 70 or 80% of these people go on free education.
In the days of Chief Awolowo.
Yeah. Scholarship to university, to college of education, to everywhere. They don't pay kobo. But now, they are not ready to back it up the way they back them up in those days. The government have the right to assist the parent, whatever. And in our days, there is no molestation of policemen on the street, walking around. You can walk from Pangrove to Oyingbo around 2 o'clock.
2 a.m.
Yeah, in the midnight, when we are coming from a party. No motor. And we trek from Pangrove to Ibutemeta. No molestation, no harassment from any corner. Nigeria of today, most of the problems we are having in this country are caused by the government of the day.
The politician, the political elite.
The politicians, the allies, even those ones that are retired from the military, they join hands with the politician, damaging the country. Nígbà táwa wà nílé ọmọdé, gbogbo àwọn tó wà níjọba sípò sí àwọn míì ò tó wa, àwọn míì àjẹjẹ colleague, àwọn kan jù wá lọ. Àwọn náà mọ báwọn ṣe gbádùn, especially nílẹ̀ Yorùbá wa. Kò sí èèyàn kan tó wà nísìn ìjọba ńsìn tó jọmọ Yorùbá tó máa sọ pé òun jìyà nígbà tó ń wà léwe tó ń wà ní sẹ́ẹ̀tì àwọn ọmọ tó ń jìyà ńsìn. Nísìnyí o mo máa ń sọ fún àwọn ọmọ mi pé Nàìjíríà ó ti bàjẹ́ yes Ọlọ́run àtúnṣe nígbà tiwa àwa ti gbádùn tiwa. Àdúrà táwọn bá yín gbà ń sìn ni pé kí Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kẹ́yìn náà rí gbádùn. Nítorí pé bó ṣe ń lọ yìí tí a bá ń wò báyìí àwọn ọmọ àwa kó má jẹ́ pé àwọn náà á jẹ ìyà yẹn àgbàdo àkàn jìyà nísìnyí àwa ń sọ pé ó ti sú wa nígbà táyàn kan ń ṣe lọ tá sọ pé kò dáa sọ fọ́lọ́run pé kó yàn fún wa àníyàn kan ló lè ṣe èèyàn máa ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ni.
èèyàn máa ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. èèyàn máa
ṣe rìn ọ̀nà wo ni kí n gbà.
ta ni kí n bá tò.
Kọ́lọ́run dẹ̀ fọ̀nà wọn ẹ̀ kò ń ṣe pé lágbájá ló lè kò sẹ́ni Ọlọ́run ló mẹ́ni tó lè ṣe.
Well, it's another very wonderful, lovely moment today in Nigeria, West Africa, in Lagos, particularly as we open the year with a brand new interview. And this year, we're going to start what we call the Senior Citizen Encounter, whereby we're going to be talking to very, very senior citizens of the country so that they can share their experience with us. And they will tell us some of the things that is aching their hearts and some of the things that they want the world to know, especially things that happen in their own time and things that they feel that should be happening now. And maybe from these encounters, we can start giving direction and insights to governments and people in political office. We're very privileged to meet a very wonderful, a very interesting personality. He is a man of impeccable achievement and a man who has really tried in his own field. He's a veteran electrical engineer and a bona fide Lagosian. Last year, December 22, he clocked 68 years. And today, January 17, is 16 days exactly after his celebration of 68 years on earth. And this man has been a man that is well respected, especially in Lagos mainland, where he hailed from, among his people in that area of Lagos. And we've been trying to pursue him after the birthday. We spoke through his children and some of his aides, and we thank God that today we are with him somewhere around Lagos mainland to speak with Pa Anthony Akinwande King. He is a very great Nigerian. He's a Christian, and he's going to be sharing live with us at 68 and what he has for Nigeria, the political class, and even the religious circle. Daddy, we are very honored being with you today, sir, and we thank you for giving us the time. We know it has not been easy. In fact, when they told us that you are around today, we were so surprised, and because we were able to reach out to your children last week, and we also still reach out. We learned that you had the ceremony for another grandchild. I mean, maybe the child number 13 or 15 coming in now. So we want to congratulate you for the ceremony which happened, the voice today, and we want to thank you for this time. First and foremost, how do you feel? This is the beginning of the year, January 7. How did you feel, sir? And being a father, a husband, and a grandfather.
Thank God for everything. It's a pleasure seeing today. It's a long journey.
Very long journey.
Yeah. And I thank God to be alive today, healthy, okay, successful. But whatever the case, we are in Nigeria. But Nigeria of today is different from Nigeria of yesterday.
So that's where we are going. But before we go in there, we want to ask you that December 22, you clocked 68, and there was a lot of celebration for you. People say Baba King is 68, Baba King is 68, and all that, and your children gathered to thank God. Even your grandchildren, some of them, a lot of them came from all their schools to congregate to celebrate with you. How will you describe life 58? And you see, the most funny thing is that at this age, you still drive yourself, you still do a lot of things together according to what we see. You drive yourself, and you even do some of the mechanical work in your car and all that. So how will you describe life today, and what is the secret of your agility at 68, sir?
Yeah, thank God. Right from my younger age, I try to move myself. I try to be somebody. Because whatever you be in life, you start from the beginning. I make sure I train myself to be hardworking. Whenever I wake up, I try to exercise myself, move around, walk around, do a little simple exercise. And moreover, my job is an exercise job. My electrical work. I walk up and down in a site. I may be in the site from morning by 7 o'clock till 5 o'clock. I'm not going to sit down. So it's an exercise on its own. So
let's call it a strenuous job.
It's a strenuous job, yes.
It allows you to be able to be a man of exercise and a man. Yeah. So
I try to make sure I drive myself anywhere I go. With my children, with my child by my side, he can drive, but I say, look, you can't drive me. I will drive myself because I love driving. It's part of an exercise. So being a guy today, I know a lot of things because engineering teach you a lot of things, not only one. I'm an electrical engineer, I'm a mechanical engineer, furniture joinery, I had it to it because I was trained by the foreigner, by the Belgians.
By the Belgians. That's very peculiar, that's unique.
Yeah, they are French people and they are very hardworking. So I copied the attitude of being a hardworking person from them. Because my boss will tell me by then that, look, you don't know about this job. Somebody knows about it. He learned about it before he knows it. So you too have to know it. From there, I started learning different type of job. So today, I am very happy that what I did in the past years still be with me.
Paying off.
Yeah. So I thank God for everything. It's not my power. It's the grace of God. So I thank God for everything.
Well, let's even go back to the beginning. I mean, how will you describe growing up, your younger age, and what exactly did you want to become when you realized yourself? Because at a particular time in life, you say, oh, I want to be maybe a driver, or later you say you want to be a pilot, and when you grow to another stage in life, you now discover that actually you wanted to be a soldier. Maybe circumstances of life will now throw you to become an electrician or a real estate expert. So what do you want to really become when you are young?
Yeah, you see, when I was young, I like to be and somebody that will be working, not a sitting work. I like to be an engineer. You see, what prompted me to be an electrical professional? People will tell me they are going to site. I said, we are going to site. I love seeing that site. I thought it was the ship on the sea that is the site. So I said,
I was living in the water area.
Yeah, I'm living. I come from Riverine area. That's Otto.
Yes, Otto
village.
Okay, Otto village. Okay.
In Oimbo,
okay, sir.
Close to Ido. I said I want to be an electrician. I want to work in the site. So the day I want to start doing the job, they took me to a house. When we started doing the job, they said, this is electrical work. I said, okay. Ogami, when are we going to the site? He said, this is the site. I said, I thought it's inside the ship. He said, no. Then from that day, I developed my interest.
Develop passion.
Yeah, I said, I have to know this job. I must know this job. With the education I have and with this job, I know I will prosper. So I started. It was hard, but I said, I'm not going to relent. I'm going on. So to
face it.
I face it. It was a big task. Within a year, I become somebody in the field. My boss used to tell, our senior boss used to tell our director that, hey, this guy, he can handle a site.
An entire site?
Entire site. All of a sudden, we got a site of 24 flats at Clark Street. My boss said, look, we have to go and handle that site. I said, 24 flats? He said, yes. Okay, this is what I was taught. I said, I will do it as they teach me. Then I started. Immediately, we finished the job. We tested everything, all the lights, everything are working. I was so happy. I thanked my God that, yes, I am now a man. So that's how I started. And today, to God be the glory.
I mean, you will have spent like 50 or 60 years in this profession. That is straight 6 decades.
Yeah, because I started this electrical work around at the age of 19.
19 years old.
19 years old.
When a lot of youths are now playing Yahoo balls and doing all sort of things.
So I've been taking care of myself since then. I have parents, but I didn't go to them for anything. I used to do it on my own.
You are a very innovative young man.
Yeah, my parents say, we didn't see you, we didn't come to collect. I say, look, I have money. I make money. So I go up and down doing what I think I can do to live, to make myself happy. Because I like to put my hand in the pocket and bring something out. I don't want to ask from anybody to give me something. I never ask from people to give me money. It's not in my own character. I prefer giving to people. And with that, God started blessing me. So
it was a kind of intuition, a kind of what can I call it, an embedded spirit that you should be self-discovered and you should be self-reliant.
Yes, of course. So when I started with the company, I started with Constain West Africa.
That's a popular Constain.
Yeah, I started there. After there, I go to another company. I go to Domalong. After there, a lot of construction is going on in Nigeria. So foreign companies are coming to Nigeria, employing people. So we are just like an allot.
Like prostitutes.
Yeah. Where money is where you go. You can work for this company like a year. They say there's another company in Lagos. They are paying so amount. Of course, we move again. we just take our testimony or whatever they call it, then we move to another place. So we started improving, having experience, foreign experience, gathering it up and down. We are not seated in a place.
This was like a nomadic experience, nomadic job, moving.
Yeah. So we start moving, we start going on, and we are enjoying it. So when it is time that I said, look, when I get married, I said, I can't continue working for people. I tell my wife, I say, I want to be on my own. He said, why? You just married. I say, yes. I said, I want to be on my own.
You are tired of slaving around?
Yes. I don't want to be a slave for anybody again. So I started going up and down. I never have a car. I carry my tooth bag on me, going from one place to another. People will call me, I make money. It's so hard. It was hard.
Initially,
it was hard.
But did your wife try to kick against it? Because I've seen a lot of places that young men said, I want to start my own business. I was say, Mama Shebe, so how were you able to conquer the fear of your wife?
My wife never, whatever I said, it will cope. If she will adjust. Because, I am a very good husband. And I'm a very good father. Because whatever I have, I will drop in the house for my children. So we started, and we are going on.
It was rough.
It was rough. Sometimes it's sweet, sometimes it's rough, but we continue going. My wife started praying, because my wife knows I am very compassionate. I'm very stubborn. Whatever I said I want to do is what I will do. No matter whatever I want to do, I do it because I always think positive. I never think negative. So, and I started going. She will pray for me. If I want to leave the house in the morning, say, and the prayer works. God guide me. I never one day fall off from a ladder. I never one day fall from that job. I never get a single accident on that job. So I thank God. I choose a good career, and the career favor me. Yeah.
So I want to ask you that in your own days when you were growing up, it appears to me that hard work was a trademark.
Yes.
What are those differences? What are those things that aided you? What are the philosophies that guided you in those days when you were growing up that you think that is missing in today's society? When you look back to your own time and you see the way you paid attention to hard work, you paid attention to innovation, and you try to even augment what you are doing to the level of being able to be self-sufficient. What do you think is missing today that youth of your days had in abundance?
You see, sometimes I can say it's from the house, from the family, number one. Number two, from the government. Because the government of nowadays, they are not ready to kick up and pick up the children.
The youth.
The
teenagers.
Yes. You see, now you see how the government official or government minister is saying, if education is expensive, try ignorance. Nearly 70 or 80% of these people go on free education.
In the days of Chief Aulo?
Yeah. Scholarship to university, to college of education, to everywhere. They don't pay kobo. But now, they are not ready to back it up the way they backed them up in those days. Not every parent will have money to send his child to university or any higher institution. But the government have the right to assist the parent, whatever. And in our days, there is no molestation of policemen on the street, walking around. You can walk from Pangrove to Oyingbo around 2 o'clock.
2 a.m.
Yeah, in the midnight, when we are coming from a party. No motor, and we trek from Pangrove to Ibutemeta. No molestation, no harassment from any corner. But nowadays, the youth cannot move. And moreover, when the youth sees the way all these politicians are spending money lavishly in a party, to the girlfriends, buying cars for just I don't know the way I can qualify those people.
Yes.
And you see these children are seeing you people the way you spend money. Do you expect them to sit down and be looking? You didn't give them training. The one that the parents train, they don't have work. They don't have job to do. They sit down at home. Their parents, after graduation, after serving the government 1 year, the parent will be giving them money again to buy clothes, to buy shoes.
Some in their 30s, in their 40s.
In their 40s.
Still relying on their...
When are they planning to marry? When are they planning to have their own family? Because without money, you can't do anything. Yeah. So all these people, they will do whatever they think they want to do. They say they are doing Yahoo Yahoo. They have a lot of brain. They have a lot. They were taught how to go into the computer and bring out anything they want. But they said a devil hand is a devil. A idle hand is a devil workshop.
Yes.
So if they have something doing from morning till night, you work from morning in your office or from your workshop from morning till night, you can't go out and sit down with the system and searching for Yahoo Yahoo. So in today, Nigeria of today, most of the problem we are having in this country are caused by the government of the day.
The politician, the political elite.
The politicians, the allies, even those ones that are retired from the military, they join hands with the politician, damaging the country.
To strangulate the system.
So what are we going to do? And we don't have if you talk too much, you'll be get arrested. They can charge you for treason. They can charge you for anything. So what can we do? We have to sit down and be looking, just to pray that whatever our children does, they should prosper. Any way they follow, they will see the grace of God.
But before I come back to the politician, because I want you to really talk about the politician, because you know why I'm engaging you, because you are a senior citizen, yeah. You are an elder statesman at this age, and you have a lot experience maybe to tell these young bourgeois or bourgeoisies that are in the political system that are demonizing the system. I mean, just last week, a commissioner in Ogun State was alleged to be funding the breast of a 16-year-old girl. Mm-hmm. And we have a lot of other cases whereby commissioners will go to a party, they will shatter girls from universities for them, they will be playing with their parents and everything inside in the hotel and all sort of hogwash. But now let's go back to your own days. What are the fond memories that you remember? I mean, a young Lagos boy growing in Lagos mainland, I mean, seeing life as it were in those days. What are those fond memories you remember? Because today now, even if you go to Ishoru, you might be harassed by armed robbers when you are coming back. If you go to a club, you might be you might be kidnapped. Yes. So, but what are the fond memories that made your day very unique?
In our days, it's a long story. Our gbadun gan, I enjoy life wa gan. Nítorí pé tá bá ní 10 naira yẹn, àmọ́ yìí ló ta máa fi ná. Agbádùn débi pé kò sí pé ẹskísà bàbá sà ẹ fún mi lówó, because tó bá ti ṣiṣẹ́ wàá rí wọn bá wo tiẹ̀ wàá jẹ gbádùn wàá enjoy ààrẹ, kò sí pé bóyá kò sá tọrọ jẹ, kò sí pé ẹ mú wá nǹkan tó bá rí ó máa tó ẹ. tó yẹ pé if you have 10,000 naira in your hand, you can't manage it in 2 days. O fẹ́ jẹun, o fẹ́ wọ mọ́tò. In our days when we are in the school, scholars bus wa, it's only 1 kobo. Scholars bus anywhere in Lagos.
Scholars bus.
Scholars bus.
As in a bus.
A long bus. Provided by the government.
So ferry the student from one point to the other.
And driver is an old man. The conductor is an old man. The bus too is an old bus. So you don't run anyhow. When you stop here, another about 50 yards, he sees another student, maybe about 2, he will stop for them, pick them up.
No rushing.
No rushing. Even when we sit on the chair, maybe take three students, another 3 students will sit on the back of the chair. so we enjoy ourselves.
So fun.
It's a fun. So nígbà táwa wà nílé ọmọdé gbogbo àwọn tó wà níjọba sípò sí àwọn míì ò tó wa àwọn míì àjẹjẹ colleague àwọn kan jù wa lọ àwọn náà mọ báwọn ṣe gbádùn especially nílẹ̀ Yorùbá wa kò sí èèyàn kan tó wà nísìnyí ìjọba sìn tó jọmọ Yorùbá tó máa sọ pé òun jìyà nígbà tó ń wà léwe tó ń wà ní sẹ́ẹ̀tì àwọn ọmọ tó ń jìyà sìn wọn jìyà nǹkan tó bá rí tó wọn ná wọn gbádùn ayé wọn kò sí pé òbí ẹ máa ní pé ìwọ̀nba tó bí ẹ bá ní tó bá fún ẹ ó máa gbádùn tá bá ń lọ sí skul tá bá mú sísì dání sísì yẹn a mọ nǹkan tá máa fi ṣe a tún máa tọ́jú ní owó yẹn tá máa fẹ́ lọ sí stadium a tún fi lọ wo bọ́ọ̀lù so èmi ò lè nísìnyí o mo máa ń sọ fún àwọn ọmọ mi pé Nàìjíríà ó ti bàjẹ́ yes Ọlọ́run àtúnṣe nígbà tiwa àwa ti gbádùn tiwa àdúrà táwọn bá yín gbà ń sìn ni pé kí Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kẹ́yìn náà rí gbádùn nítorí pé bó ṣe ń lọ yìí tí a bá ń wò báyìí àwọn ọmọ àwa kó má jẹ́ pé àwọn náà máa jẹ ìyà yẹn àgbàdúrà kan jìyà nígbà tá a bá fowó ńlá tẹ̀yìn ọmọ wa fowó ńlá kọ́ àwọn ọmọ yẹn lọ sí skul tó wá jẹ́ pé nígbà táwọn ọmọ yẹn jáde skul wọn ò ríṣẹ́ ṣe owó tí wọ́n ń san fún ọmọ ẹ̀ sìn ní primary school owó tèmi fi rán wọn lọ sí yunifásitì tó fi jáde kò tó yẹn o dẹ̀ ń san ní 1 year àbí 1 term nígbà tó bá lọ san 350 per term èló ni mo fi rán wọn gangan lọ sí yunifásitì so wọ́n ti borí léde jẹ́ àgàgà nílẹ̀ wa ń bí àwọn olórí wa kan tó jẹ́ Yorùbá tó jẹ́ pé àtẹnujẹ ìjẹkújẹ bàbá olówó jẹ́ sọ pé kàkàkà dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún Gàmbàrí ká rọ́jú ká kú. Bọ̀ nísìnyí àwọn ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún Gàmbàrí nítorí kán lè rí tiwọn nítorí pé wọ́n ti believe pé táwọn bá ṣe ráìsà lẹ́yìn Haúsá àwọn ò ní rí owó bí àwọn tán wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wá ń bì sọ pé bákan làwọn jẹ́ ká forúkọ wọn sẹ́gbẹ́ kan táwọn dẹ̀ jẹ́ nǹkan kan nítorí pé àwọn náà gbọ́n inú rẹ̀ náà ti dìde wọ́n wá dé ní ìsìn wọ́n ń tà wá fún mọ́là nísìnyí àwọn sọ pé ó ti sú wa nígbà táyàn kan ń ṣe lọ tá sọ pé kò dáa sọ fọlọ́run pé kó yàn fún wa àníyàn kan ló lè ṣe èèyàn máa ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ni.
èèyàn máa ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run èèyàn máa.
ṣe rìn ọ̀nà wo ni kí n gbà.
ta ni kí n bá tò.
ta ni kí n bá tò kọ́lọ́n dẹ̀ fọ̀nà wọn ẹ̀ kò ń ṣe pé lágbájá ló lè kò sẹ́ni Ọlọ́run ló mẹ́ni tó lè ṣe nítorí ẹni tó bímọ 5 sìn tó bímọ 6 kó wá sọ pé nọ́mbà 3 nìkan ló máa get on jù àbí nọ́mbà 4 yẹn ni ò mọ̀wé kò lè lówó ó lè jẹ́ nọ́mbà 4 tí ò mọ̀wé kékeré yẹn òun ló máa head gbogbo family yẹn lọ́la tó yẹ pé àwọn yòókù náà ni o ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run máa gbé ga jù so wọ́n ti sọ fún wa àwọn bàbá kan ti wá nígbà táwa wà léwe kan ti lọ́nsìn àwọn bí àwọn Awólọ́wọ̀ yẹn wọ́n ti jẹ́ ká mọ̀ yìí pé kò sí nǹkan tó lè mú wa jìyà ní orílẹ̀-èdè wa táwa yìí ṣùgbọ́n bàtà àwọn kan dé nígbà táwọn bàbá yẹn lọ tán àwọn yẹn dúró pé láéláé bámbám la yó àmọ́ pé bí ń pọ́ mẹ́ni kankan kọ́ ló ń ṣàánú wa.
bàbá wa in fact ibi tẹ bọ́rọ̀ dé yìí nǹkan tó burú jáì ni torí wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ ṣùnùkùn ojú ṣùnùkùn náà la máa fi wò ẹ̀yin bàbá wa náà lẹ̀dẹ̀ tó máa ń pòwe ẹ má bínú pé mo pòwe ẹ̀yin wájú wọ́n ní igi gogoro má gùn ní lójú báyìí òkèèrè láti wò torí ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ tó bad ni ọ̀gágun kan wà kó tó ti pọ́n kọjá lọ last year General Sam Moma àwọn ni former Minister of Science and Technology wọ́n máa ń sọ wípé ọmọ àwọn pé ẹ̀rù ń bà àwọn because òun náà wọ́n ṣàwọn òwe kan sílẹ̀ kan tó kú ìgbà yẹn máa lọ ń bá wọn l'Àbújá wọ́n ní ẹ̀rù ń bà àwọn wé because ní ẹ̀kọ́ kan nínú pension táwọn gbà as a retired army officer làwọn tó fi ń fi owó kún owó school fees àwọn ọmọ wọn ní nínú ọmọ 5 wọ́n ní medical doctor 4 computer scientist kan wọ́n ní ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ọmọ àwọn tó ń practice ní bíbáyìí pé nínú owó táwọn bá tún gbà ní pension àti business tó ń ṣe làwọn tó fi ń support àwọn ọmọ wọn pé ẹkún máa fẹ́ gbọ́n àwọn pé táwọn bá kú kọ́nà fọ́nù kẹ́ wọn he was 77 when he passed on July 20 is it July what last year July 29 Yes, 2020, yes. So that's General Samoma. So nísìnyí bó ṣe ń lọ yìí tẹ́yìn ṣe ń rí tí àwọn private school ń gba owó gọbọi tó yẹ pé owó ẹlòmíì tó bá fẹ́ san owó school fees ọmọ ẹ̀ a máa jẹ garlic èmi àfẹ́ bọ́ àwọn ìjọ tó tún jẹ́ wípé tólúwa tó fi sí lọ́kàn wọ́n ní ní ìgbà yìí tí wọ́n san wọn missionary aláwọn school bíi CMS grammar school àtàwọn Baptist tó yẹ pé ọ̀fẹ́ Methodist school tó yẹ pé ọ̀fẹ́ lẹ́ ń lọ sí iléèwé wọn tí kò sí kọ́bọ̀ àwọn òyìnbó lọ́n fún ilé torí pé wọ́n ń rí owó yẹn gbà láti owó ọrẹ àtàwọn tó ń dáwó ṣùgbọ́n nísìn àwọn bíi Bishop Oyedepo àwọn bíi Baba Adébóyè àwọn bíi wọ́n pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ even gan CAC Jabu Joseph Baba University àtàwọn iléèwé mìíràn Deeper Life àwọn Akúmúyì owó táwọn èèyàn ń san níléèwé tí wọ́n fi owó ìjọ dá sílẹ̀ bí ìgbà tí èèyàn ń san owó ẹ̀mí ni kí lẹ rí sọ sírù yẹn torí mo mọ̀ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà yìí owó tẹ̀ ń gbà náà kò tó nítorí àwọn ọmọ àtàwọn ọmọ yìí.
ṣe rí búburú tẹ́ sọ ilẹ̀ ó yé àwa ó yé Ọlọ́run nítorí pé tí àwọn tó bá máa dá léwé ilẹ̀ wọ́n á announce ní church pé a fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan báyìí báyìí o church máa ṣe nǹkan báyìí so àwọn ọmọ wa ló máa jèrè ẹ̀ a máa benefit inú ẹ̀ so ìjọ tọrọ ìjọ kọ́bọ̀ ìyá tó ta epo ìyá tó ń tata bàbá tó yẹ pé pensioner ni a máa mú wa nítorí pé tó ń bá dá léwé yẹn lẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ àwọn á jèrè ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ìmílẹ̀ tó bá ti dá léwé yẹn lẹ̀ tán ọmọ wọn ò lè wọbẹ̀ o nítorí pé àwọn ò lè afford owó yẹn wọn ò lè wá jáde àwa wò pé àwọn tó láwọn pé ra wọn ní olórí ìjọ yẹn tó ń dá church school lẹ̀ wọ́n ti dá church lẹ̀ they are making money there wọ́n tún wá dá school lẹ̀ kówó yẹn tó wọ́n lè máa pọ̀ sí àwọn àlọ́pẹ̀ àwọn ará àtàwá kó wá kàwé ń bẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ tàwọn tọ́jọ́ dálẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn ò lè lọ́bẹ̀ wọn ti ẹ̀ lè lọ pé kọ́ lọ bá alàgbà gan pé ẹjọ́ ọmọ wa ìmọ̀ wí dáadáa ẹ bá wa fi síléèwé lọ́wọ́ máa lọ́wọ́ wa ní ṣé kò tí ẹni tí ò tiẹ̀ lè rí wọn mọ́ ṣùgbọ́n ṣe rí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn oníjọ yẹn púpọ̀ nínú wọn yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ wọn èmi ò ń fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ wọn èmi kàn máa ń wo ìkànnì máa ń wo ní bíbélì mi fún wọn ìwé ìfihàn 22 11-12 ó ní ẹni tó ń ṣe rere kó máa ṣe ẹni tó ń ṣe ìkà kó máa ṣe ẹni tó ń ṣe àìlera kó máa ṣe ó ní èmi ń bọ̀ kánkán èrè mi sì ń bẹ pẹ̀lú mi láti san fún olúkálùkù gẹ́gẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ rẹ ti rí so.
ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá lẹ sọ yìí because ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó jẹ́ bí igi tó ń gúnni lọ́kàn ni o òótọ́ ni wọ́n ní pé kí oníkálukú máa ṣe lọ onímì bọ̀ kan láti san fún oníkálukú bí iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ ṣe rí ṣùgbọ́n òótọ́ ní ká máa sàn ibì kan náà ni Jésù ti sọ ó ní tí èmi bá padà wá ǹjẹ́ èmi á bá ìgbàgbọ́ bí ẹ̀yin gẹ́gẹ́ bí bàbá wa nínú ìgbàgbọ́ alàgbà ni yín sì nínú ìjọ yín pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ń lọ yìí ǹjẹ́ èrò páyé ìjọba ọ̀run sì sílẹ̀ fúnra àwọn èèyàn wa nítorí pé nínú church tó yẹ pé olùṣọ́ bishop ó ní private jet 4 tó yẹ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ ni pé afẹ́kọ́ cathedral olùṣọ́ kan tẹ̀ bọ́ síta oníkàwọn èèyàn 10 kọ́ mọ́ 1 billion wá lọ́dún yẹn lọ́wọ́ mo rántí majority àwọn tó mọ́ 1 billion wá nígbà tí Lamido Sanusi di CBN governor most of them lọ lost bank wọn àwọn bíi Francis Atuche àwọn bíi Òkèwòsì wọ́n ṣe fi sẹ́wọ̀n sìn níjẹta ń sílẹ̀ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n 3 years that's Finbank lórí ọ̀rọ̀ 10.9 billion tó sọnù àwọn bíi Cecilia Hebrew àwọn náà lọ fẹ́ wọn jura Oceanic Bank even Erastus Akíngbọ́lá ó sọ báǹkì ẹ̀ nù ṣùgbọ́n nídìí pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ lọ́tún ní kọ́ mú 1 billion ní ìwá bàbá wa ó yẹ kẹ́ lè fún wọn ní ọ̀rọ̀ àròyé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ìjọ yìí tó ń gbó tẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ owó tẹ́ bá ti máa jókòó sínú church wọn báyìí envelope 10 ti tò lọ yet bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ àwọn ọmọ mẹ̀kúnnù lẹ́yìn tó bá ti dáwó tán wọn ò lè kanlẹ̀kùn iléèwé tán dá sílẹ̀ ó yẹ kẹ́ lè fún wọn lọ́rọ̀.
ṣe rí wọn ní kò báyọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ kó gbọ́ wọn ní a lè mú ẹṣin lọ sódò a lè fipá kún lómi ṣe wá rí tẹ́ bá wo orílẹ̀-èdè ilé ní púpọ̀ ní nǹkan tó ń da orílẹ̀-èdè rú àwọn olórí ẹ̀sìn ni nítorí pé wọn ò lè sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ fáwọn ìjọba
àwọn olóṣèlú
nítorí àwọn gangan fúnra àwọn nǹkan tó ń gbà ọdún kan la gbọ́ pé èèyàn kan fi plane ó fi gbé owó lọ sí South Africa.
ó ti pẹ́ sa 2014 ni Ayo Orisejafo ní oní Chairman Khan wọ́n lówó yẹn wọ́n bà millions of dollars wọ́n ló fẹ́ fi ra irinṣẹ́ ìjagun nǹkan ìkógun but àwa ń wò pé kí ni olùṣọ́àgùtàn pẹ̀lú nǹkan ìjagun àjogún.
àdúrà olùṣọ́àgùtàn fi ń jà kò ń ṣèbọn àtàdá bíbélì náà ti sọ fún wa bẹ́ẹ̀.
ó bá a lẹ́rù gbá yẹn sá.
ara nǹkan tá à ń sọ ni ìjọba àrùn jìnnà sí wọn lóòótọ́ bíbélì sọ pé tóun bá ń sàmì ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó lè dúró ìdáríjì wà lọ́wọ́ òun láti òun lòun ní ìdáríjì lọ́wọ́ ṣùgbọ́n tá a bá sọ fún wọn pé ẹ ṣe báyìí bó ṣe tọ́ rè tán bá gbọ́ èèyàn kan wà tó ju gbogbo wa lọ tó ń wò wọ́n nítorí owó táwọn fẹ́ jẹ yẹn wọ́n ti bìlíf pé gbogbo nǹkan yẹn láyé owó nìkan náà ni ṣùgbọ́n tó bá bìlíf pé gbogbo nǹkan láyé owó ni láìsí owó kò sí nǹkan yes owó ìránṣẹ́ wa ni a fẹ́ jẹun a fẹ́ ra mọ́tò a fẹ́ sanwó náà nǹkan tá a máa ránṣẹ́ fún nìyẹn kò ń ṣe nǹkan tá à ń fipá ní dandan a gbọ́dọ̀ ní láti gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹni tí ò ní fi kún tiwa. èmi believe pé ìwọ tí ẹni tí ò bá ní kó sún ẹni tó bá ní kó fún ni kò ń ṣe kíkà tó máa gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹni tí ò ní. ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ yẹn ìwé mímọ́ ti sọ àwọn náà ń rí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń kà wọ́n ń kà lójúmọ́ wọ́n kà lójúmọ́ wọ́n ń rí wọ́n ti kà débẹ̀ nítorí wọ́n ti lọ sí theology wọ́n ti ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ pé èmi ń bọ̀ kankan èrè mi ń bẹ pẹ̀lú mi láti san fún olúkálùkù ṣe nǹkan tó bá ń wù ẹ́ ọlọ́run rí ẹ báwọn èèyàn rí ẹ ìwọ tó pé rẹ ní pásítọ̀ tó tún lọ ń forí balẹ̀ fún nǹkan kan àwọn ò rí ẹ ọlọ́run rí ẹ ìwọ tó ń bẹ̀rù èèyàn tó bẹ̀rù ọlọ́run gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe ń kọ̀rọ̀ táwọn èèyàn rí ẹ ọlọ́run rí ẹ so ẹ fi ká fi yókù lẹ̀ fọlọ́run lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ẹlẹ́sìn kò ń ṣe nǹkan tá a lè sọ mọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹlẹ́sìn ní àgbáyé yìí mọ́ nítorí a bá sọ pé àwọn tó ń ba ayé ìjẹgun àwọn ẹlẹ́sìn ni púpọ̀ nínú wọn ẹ̀sìn náà ń ṣe wọ́n dẹ̀ láwọn ń ṣẹ̀sìn ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ ká fi gbogbo ẹlẹ̀ fọlọ́run ìdájọ́ wà lọ́wọ́ bàbá.
nǹkan tẹ̀ tó kẹnu kúrò lè rọrọ̀ ẹlẹ́sìn ẹ wo orílẹ̀ èdè dárúkọ tí ó gbé plane lọ tán káwó gọbọ ní South Africa tán káwó yẹn bíṣọ́ọ̀bù àìní pass Ayo Orisejafo tó kúrò ẹ̀ ní Chairman Khan láyé ìgbà yẹn the same man ló máa tún lọ sí US bí 2 years ago tó tún sọ pé olúwa ní káwọn èèyàn jáde bí kan wá ra handkerchief lọ́wọ́ òun ó ní 90 people kan mú $5,000 for handkerchief white ẹ jẹ́ mọ̀ pé kò sẹ́ni tó dá lóhùn ó dẹ̀ ń pariwo níbẹ̀ lórí pẹpẹ ńbẹ̀ pé àfi tó wáyé pé ọlọ́run kọ́ ló ràn òun but nítorí ìgbà yẹn òye ti ń yé àwọn èèyàn oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ló ti lọ táwọn èèyàn ti wò pé ó ṣe wá rí báyìí ó ṣe jẹ́ pé owó ṣá ìkan náà ta tún forúkọ bọ̀ wọ́n láṣìírí tán jágbàlagbà náà nínú village wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́nà Ìbàdàn tí wọ́n ti kọ́lé ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìjọ kọ́lé síbẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ tó bá lẹ́ẹ̀ lọ church ẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀ lè gbélé yẹn kúrò sà irú àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí ǹjẹ́ àwọn kankan nǹkan ló jẹ́ délẹ̀délẹ̀ tí ó fi dà pé gbogbo ẹ̀ da ojúrú tí àdúrà ò tẹ̀ wá gbà mọ́ tó láwọn èèyàn tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́ gbàdúrà ṣé ó dà gbàdúrà yẹn gan ó tún wá ń fò sókè sí.
àwa èèyàn fúnra wa ìgbàgbọ́ wa kúrú ni.
ìgbàgbọ́ wa kúrú sà.
bíbélì náà sọ ó ní èèyàn onígbàgbọ́ kúkúrú wọn ti bá yín gbé pẹ́tọ́.
èèyàn onígbàgbọ́ kúkúrú nígbà tí bá yín gbé pẹ́tọ́.
bẹ́ẹ̀ nítorí pé tábàtì ẹ̀ wo yá 2020 tó lọ yìí tí àwọn èèyàn bá ní ẹ̀kọ́ tó bá nírò lórí wọ́n á mọ̀ pé kò dìgbà tó bá dé church.
àdúrà tó gbà.
àdúrà tó gbà inú ilé ẹ̀ àdúrà ẹ̀ máa gbà oṣù bíi 5-6 la fi wọ church.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà.
ìjọ tó ti bí mi ìrírò ẹ̀ rí ṣùgbọ́n nínú ọdún yẹn Ọlọ́run dára tó bá sọ pé bóyá yàn kú tẹ bá gbọ́ pọ́n ní bóyá mẹ̀kúnnù kú nínú ọba ni ẹ wà lágbára bó ṣe lọ ẹ wo ibi tí àwa fọkàn sí pé táwa ń sá lọ ibẹ̀ ni nǹkan yẹn tó ti jẹ jáde ká ní Nàìjíríà ló ti jẹ jáde ni ẹ mọ̀ pé gbogbo mẹ̀kúnnù máa kú lọ ni nítorí wọ́n máa sá lọ fún wa wọn náà lọ sọ́hún yẹn ẹ̀kọ́ gbọ́ pé láwọ́jà ò ti dé London láwọ́jà ò ti dà l'Amẹ́ríkà so táwọn èèyàn bá nígbàgbọ́ tó wọ́n mọ̀ pé kò dìgbà táwọn bá di church kádùrà àwọn tó gbà ó lè dá ọrẹ o kò ń ṣe pé kó dúró dìgbà tó yẹ pé dìgbà tó bá ní pé gbé nǹkan báyìí lẹ̀ ẹni tó ní kó gbé nǹkan báyìí lẹ̀ ó kọ́ mansion lọ tó ń gbé ìwọ jókòó nínú ilé tenant
òun pa
ẹni tó ní kó gbé nǹkan báyìí lẹ̀ ó ń gun limousine pẹ̀lú sáyẹ̀rìn tó ń wà wájú àtìlẹ́yìn ìwọ ń gán mọ́ olú ẹ̀ káàkiri ó ń yẹ ẹ́ láṣọ ìwọ́gun ò ṣe ronú ẹ̀ wò ó dẹ̀ kú tiẹ̀ lọ́bẹ̀. Wọ́n mú mánu accountant kan ní báńkì kan jọ kan ní bótẹ́ẹ̀lì níbi nǹkan kan ló ń ṣiṣẹ́.
ní Sheraton ní Ìkẹjà ó ti pẹ́.
tó jẹ owó tó ní ó jẹ owó almost 40 million nígbà tó máa rí owó tó máa gbà owó tó jẹ kò fi kọ́bọ̀ ralẹ̀ kò ra mọ́tò 40 million owó Christ Embassy ló kó lọ.
wọ́n tẹ̀ tún gbé jẹrẹ́tọ̀ ńlá lọ síbẹ̀.
so wọ́n mi sọ̀pọ̀ àwọn gbowó àwọn padà.
yàrá kan lè máa yín náà ń gbé self contained.
ṣe rí i pé àwa èèyàn fúnra ara gan lórí wa ò pé láyà wèrè tá à ń jẹ́ káwọn ẹlẹ́sìn máa dààmú wa àwa la máa ronú ara wa ká mọ̀ pé yes kò dìgbà tí n bá dé church àbígbà tí n bá gbówó lẹ̀ ní church kádùrà mi tó gbà ṣé wọn bá tágbára ẹ bá ká do your best and leave the rest lọ́jọ́ sìn gbàdúrà kó sọpẹ́ fọlọ́run má lọ́lé ẹ tó wáyé pé 100 naira láyé ẹ yọ fílẹ̀ má ní dandan gbọ́dọ̀ fi 5,000 lẹ̀ ẹlòmíràn wà lọ yáwó nítorí pé ó fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ní church owó yẹn gbèsè yẹn wá di nǹkan sí ẹ lọ́rùn ó fẹ́ kàn rí ẹ ní church ṣé máa rí ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ń jọba ọ̀run ni ǹjẹ́ ìwà tó máa fi rí ẹ ń jọba ọ̀run ìwà tó máa wù ní ìwà tó yẹ pé tó bá dé ìjọba ọ̀run wọ́n á lè rí ẹ wọ́n á lè pè á ní wọlé sínú ọyọ olùgbàlà ẹ inú church kọ́ ní ìgbàlà wa o inú ọkàn wa inú ìwà wa onígbàlà wa wà so fúnra ara wa la máa control ara wa fúnra ara la máa make sure pé arìn lọ́nà tó tọ́ arìn lọ́nà tó yẹ nítorí pé ìgbàlà ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run ló wà kò sí lọ́wọ́ èèyàn.
àtẹ̀ní ká béèrè pé torí láyé gba 14th century sí 15th century nígbà tí Renaissance dé ayé gbà yẹn wọ́n ní Catholic Church ní káwọn èèyàn wọn gbọ́dọ̀ fojú kan Bíbélì àwọn olùṣọ́àgùtàn ló máa ń ka Bíbélì jáde fáwọn èèyàn so wọ́n wá ní kó máa san owó kan tó ń pè ní Peter's pence or something like that pé tó bá ti dẹ́ṣẹ̀ o lè lọ báyàwó níyàwó sùn o lè lọ jalè lọ́jà ó tẹ̀lé ilé pààyàn bí tó bá tàbí sanwó yẹn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yẹn ti fò lọ ọ̀hún tí táwọn Martin Luther King ní Germany jáde tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe oríṣiríṣi ìwé àtẹ̀jáde pé irọ́ o pé gbogbo yín ẹlẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti ka Bíbélì yín kẹ́ lè mọ ìdí òkodoro nípa àárín ẹ̀yìn àtọ́lọ̀ ìjọ jẹ́ mọ́ irú nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àbí ṣé bàbá wa ṣe lè sọ pé bí ẹ tọ́ àwọn èèyàn wò ka Báíbù wọn dáadáa ni bíṣọ̀bù kan ṣe ń sọ pé kán mọ́ wá irú obìnrin kan ní láti àǹsí tó ń parọ́ káàkiri ṣe Fúnkẹ́ kínní kan lórúkọ ẹ̀ tó ń parọ́ Adéjùmọ̀ something like that pé káwọn èèyàn tó wọn bá ti mówó ó ní ọmọ pé virgin ni gbogbo wọn pé kán wá dáwó fún òun kí wọ́n bá lè jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ tó wá fẹ́ fọ́kọ bá lè jòrè ọ̀fẹ́ virgin táwọn ọmọ òun jẹ́ ìgbà mìíràn ni kán mówó wá bí táwọn bá mówó kan wá wọn lè ráwọn kankan gbogbo bí tó ń lọ ṣá bí owó àwọn míì tún ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà bí owó wá ṣàbẹ̀ ìkan ló tẹ̀ ní kán wá dáwó sóhun lọ́wọ́ kẹ́ bọ́dì tó wà ní church kán ṣàmú gbogbo tó wà lọ́wọ́ wọn kọ́ dẹ̀ fẹsẹ̀ rìn lọ́lé ǹjẹ́ ó jọmọ́ yí pé torí pé àwọn èèyàn ò jókòó ti Bíbélì ni wọ́n ṣe ń kó ẹrẹ̀ bára wọn nípa àwọn ìrẹ́jẹ ẹlẹ́sìn wọ̀nyí.
àwọn àká Bíbélì wa newspaper yẹn la máa kà.
newspaper Punch àti Tribune àti Guardian.
bẹ́ẹ̀ni mo rántí bàbá lórí ìjọ wa nígbà yìí ẹ alàgbà Jíò Fákẹ́yẹ Kérúbù Síràfù Sùúrùlérè.
ayọ̀ ni
ayọ̀ ni.
Ọlọ́run kò foríjì wọn.
bàbá máa ní pé tóun tó bá ń ṣe sámọ̀ lọ́wọ́ olúkálùkù gbọ́dọ̀ wà pẹ̀lú Bible ẹ̀ ni nígbà kan ṣéǹgì system tó bá ń ṣe sámọ̀ lọ wireless ló máa lò a máa wá round nínú church wa tóbi tó bá pe Bible kan tó bá ní pé òun fẹ́ kàn ká Bible ó lè pẹ́ gbẹ́ ìlú wa ó lè pa alàgbà ẹ̀ka nǹkan tẹ̀ sí yẹn àbí develop àwọn èèyàn ebi pé gbọ́dọ̀ máa make sure pé wà pẹ̀lú Bible ẹ̀ torí pé àwọn èèyàn mi ò kí ń ka Bible ó fi kíní yẹn kọ́ wa pé Bíbélì yẹn gan ní ọ̀nà òtítọ́ àti ìyè fún ẹ tó bá ti kà òun ló máa sọ fún ẹ pé ibi tó máa rìn rèé bó ṣe máa hùwà rèé nǹkan tó gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe rèé má jẹ́ kí pásítọ̀ kan àbí Jíò kan sọ fún ẹ pé báyìí ni kò gbà èmi máa ń sọ fún àwọn èèyàn púpọ̀ pé Bible mi yẹn òun ni guidance mi kò sí wàásù tó fẹ́ ṣe ṣùgbọ́n Bíbélì yẹn tèmi bá ti kà nǹkan tó bá sọ fún mi ni màá ṣe mo ní àwọn kankan tó yẹ pé mo ń ṣe tí olórí ìjọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì mi bá jókòó báyìí nígbà yẹn tí mo ń mu bíà tó bá jókòó màá mu bíà mi ṣojú ẹ̀ mi ní gbé pamọ́ I see a lot of people tó yẹ pé wọ́n mú tó máa rí olórí ìjọ àbí àgbàjọ àgbépamọ́ mo wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ èèyàn kanjọ́ kan pé wà ó ń bẹ̀rù olórí ìjọ ò bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ nìkan tó ń ṣe yẹn ṣá ṣé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni nǹkan tí bí àtò mu yẹn nítorí pé tó wá yẹ pé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni kí ló dé tó wá fi ń mú òun gbé sápamọ́ fún lórí ìjọ ò dẹ̀ ń mú ṣùgbọ́n ọlọ́run rí ẹ kò sí nǹkan tó ṣe nínú kọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́run rí then why are you fearing person tó bẹ̀rù ọlọ́run nítorí mi mọ̀ ẹ́ pé torí ìjọ kan mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ leader church wa dádì mo máa ń sọ pé kọ́lọ́run fọ̀run kẹ́ bàbá yẹn
àmín sà
ó kọ́ wa lóríṣiríṣi wọ́n ní dádì sà ǹjẹ́ ó dáa kíyàn máa mu bíà ó ní ìṣíbi báyìí báyìí nínú bíbélì mi ó ní nkà ó ní ohun tó tọwọ́ lọ sẹ́nu sọ ní dẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ ó ní inú ọkàn ní ìrúbúrú ti ń jáde mo ní ó ní èsì lòun ti fún ẹ yẹn.
so as simple as that.
question tó béèrè sí ẹ nìyẹn so ó tìyẹn kọ́ ló mú ẹ dẹ́ṣẹ̀ o ọkàn ẹ ní nǹkan burúkú tó fẹ́ ṣe ti máa wá ẹlòmíì ò mu ọtí kò mú jẹ́rẹ́ ọtí ṣùgbọ́n èrò burúkú wà lọ́kàn ẹ̀ ẹlòmíì mú yẹn ó mọ tí yẹn ó pọ̀ gbogbo èrò ọkàn ẹ̀ kó ṣeré kó báyọ̀ ṣeré kó ṣeré àwàdà kó dẹ̀ lọ́nlọ́ ẹ̀ kó lọ sùn ni. So a lot of people ìwà tá à ń hù àka bíbélì wa àwa sọ àwọn olórí ìjọ yẹn aṣọ wọn dọ ọlọ́run wa ẹlòmíì gbé olórí ìjọ yẹn ju ọlọ́run tí ó wà lókè lọ dádìdádì èrí púpọ̀ nínú àwọn obìnrin wa míì tó bá kó ilé wọn kúnlẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ wọn ọkọ dídá ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì wọn yẹn jí òyìn kò tọ́kọ ẹ ó dádì sà ìkúnlẹ̀ lọ́mọ máa kúnlẹ̀ fún yẹn.
ó bá mi nínú jẹ́.
They worship that man than the God and ọlọ́run ọkọ ẹ tó fi sínú ilé tó yẹ pé ọlọ́run yẹn kékeré ó worship ẹ so ṣẹ́rí àìlẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ló parí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn o the only thing ni pé ká make sure pé àwọn generation wa àwọn ọmọ wa ọ̀gá mi kan sọ fún mi ní 3 days ago ó ní owó nìkan kọ́ nìyẹn fi ń ṣe oore ó ní ìwàásù ẹ̀jẹ̀ àjọkò ẹ̀gbẹ́ báyìí yẹn ẹ̀ṣin bí báyìí kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ó ní ara oore nìyẹn ó ní ara oore nìyẹn o ó ní kò ní ṣe pé mo fún lágbájá 100 naira mo fún 1000.
ìtọ́nisọ́nà.
ó ní kò tọ́yàn sọ́nà kò fi ọ̀nà wọn bó ṣe máa rìn tó máa fi lè yé so we lack knowledge that's why you are being cheated by the GOs.
Sir, in fact ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn because àtẹ̀tọ́ á ń rà wọ́n míì tó yẹ pé nísìn torí bàbá ṣe afẹ́kẹ́ tọ́ná sínú ọ̀rọ̀ because ẹni tẹ dárúkọ ẹlẹ́kọ̀ọ́ bàbá jí òfákẹ́yẹ olùkọ́ni àtàtà ni wọ́n nígbà tó wà láàyè mo dẹ̀ wọ́n bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan lọ́fi ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣítí lọ́ máa ń fáwọn lórí rédíò pàápàá lórí rédíò Lagos láràárọ̀ ní gbogbo gbà gbogbo sáàm tó máa ń fáwọn èèyàn gbà yẹn ṣùgbọ́n nísìn nígbà tẹ bá rí odidi obìnrin tó kúrò ní làárọ̀ wọ́n jọ lọ sí church pẹ̀lú ọkọ wọ́n dẹ̀ padà sílé rọ̀lẹ́ ọkọ yẹn náà ń béèrè láwọn ọmọ bí mọ́mì yín dá oúnjẹ mi dà wọ́n ní mọ́mì wà lọ́dọ̀ jíò pé àwọn wọ́n ń dáná fún dáàdì lọ́wọ́ àwọn obìnrin bíi mélòó kan tó tún dáná fún dáàdì ní church ìyàwó dáàdì wà ń bẹ̀ lọ́tọ̀ o bẹ̀ wọ́n lọ́n dúró àwọn ní olóòpó tó ń dáná fún dáàdì àsìkò dáàdì bá dẹ̀ nìkan lọ́lé wọ́n máa lọ́lé ǹjẹ́ àwọn ìsìn ìbànújẹ́ wò lélẹ̀ ǹjẹ́ kì í ṣe pé àwọn pípì wọ́n ti sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ dẹ́dọ̀ arinlẹ̀.